Article 20 seeks to provide funding for the creation and preservation of both rental and homeownership opportunities for year-round community housing. This project is in support of the Select Board's strategic planning housing goal of increased ownership opportunities for year-round residents, and in furtherance of our safe harbor maintenance as related to so-called 40B developments. The article seeks $10 million and is subject to a Proposition 2.5 debt exclusion vote in Question 10. The tax rate impact of an affirmative vote at annual town meeting and annual town election will mean the annual tax bill for year-round property valued at $1,358,369 and which qualifies for a residential exemption will increase by approximately $23.58 for 20 years.